Welcome to Projects for All. My name's Mike, and today we're finally going to get out and put this thing to the test. The grass is crazy long. It's supposed to rain for the next week, so we got to get this done now. Just do me a solid and keep in mind that this is not a good representation of my ability to take care of a lawn. It's just, we moved here about a month ago and there is some places where there's zero grass and some places where the grass is crazy long. So I'll show you the thickest parts and you guys can tell me what you think. So here's one of my biggest complaints. Say you want to push it up under this tree to get the grass down there. You're going to go to all the way to the end of your reach and then pull it back. Well, the motor doesn't disengage half the time. Oh, it disengaged that time. It makes it really hard to pull back, and it's actually pretty annoying. If you let it roll forward a little bit, then it disengages and it's free and it's easy to pull back. If you get a little baseball noise in the background, that's because there's a baseball game that's going on right there, and another one back there. The first thing I noticed, the bale is very comfortable to hold back. This overmold on this, super comfortable. This, I do not like at all. It's too small. To grasp it around, you can only hold your hand in this one little spot because it's so little. The only really comfortable way to do this is to put your palm on it like that. I'm gonna try and hold the camera straight so you guys can see how bumpy this is. The grass, the lawn here is crazy bumpy, and this thing is all over the place. Jeez, it's not me shaking the camera. That's this thing actually jumping all over the place. I've been doing it on 4 mostly. Especially back here because there really isn't much grass. A little bit. Here's one of the lower points and you get some pretty tall grass because this is where the water sits. We're still in mulch mode. We're still running at 4. Let's see how it does through there. So it started cutting. And then it shut off halfway through there and I just kept going. A little too tall maybe. I don't know, let's try that again. Well, it didn't shut off that time. What's up, dude? That's a bag for the grass clippings. Remember in Chicago, we used to just put them in the trash can? Yeah, we can't do that anymore. It died again.
What?
I said it died again. It hit like a bump and died. Honestly, I think it did a pretty good job. All right, so how do we ultimately do here? It cut crazy clean. Even bumpy back here, it looks pretty smooth. And unlike my Ryobi, there isn't random blades of grass all over the place that didn't get cut. We're down to 1 bar each, but on DeWALT batteries, there's only 3 bars. So was there a third left, or am I on my last swipe? I don't know. I think my biggest complaint is the self-propelled. The levers are terrible. They're hard plastic. Both my thumbs hurt. I wouldn't be surprised if I get a blister. The other thing I really miss is my old gas Toro was progressive. Even though it didn't have the fancy pace handle, pull it a little, goes slow. Pull it a lot, it goes fast. You learn to intuitively use the throttle where you need it and where you don't need it, and it makes it a lot easier. This is jerky. It's all or nothing. The thumb wheel for the speed control is way too small. And with the handle jumping around, you almost can't get to it. Plus, you're trying to hold those little tiny self-propelled handles down. I'm not that impressed. Final answer, I don't really like it. I'm kind of sad to tell you, because I was pretty impressed when we started this thing. We'll probably make the handles for the self-propelled bigger, so you don't need just one thumb to hold them down. And yeah, I think that'll probably make it a little more easy on the hands. Otherwise, it cuts nice. It's got power. It hit some tufts or bottomed out on the ground a couple times and the motor died, but other than that, not bad. Let me know what you guys think. Leave me a like, hit subscribe. It helps the channel a lot. I'm gonna go get a beer, and I'll see you in the next video.